In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Minecraft in Bluestacks 5. If you've ever wanted the mobile Minecraft experience on your PC, Bluestacks 5 makes it simple and smooth. We'll install Bluestacks, sign into the Play Store, download Minecraft, and finish by launching the game with the basic controls you'll use right away. Start by heading to the official Bluestacks website. On the homepage, select Download Bluestacks 5. Make sure you're on the legitimate site to keep your system safe. When the installer finishes downloading, open it, click Agree and Install, and allow any security prompts from your operating system. The installer will handle everything for you. Depending on your internet speed and hardware, setup may take a few minutes. When it's done, BlueStacks 5 will launch. The first start can take a bit longer as it prepares the Android environment, so let it complete any initial loading without interruption. Next, open the Play Store app inside BlueStacks. Sign in using your Google account so you can access the store and manage purchases. Follow the on-screen steps to complete the setup. Accept the terms, choose your backup preferences if prompted, and verify your account if asked. If the Play Store updates or briefly restarts, that's normal. Once you see the Play Store home screen, you're ready to find the game. In the Play Store search bar, type Minecraft and select the official game from Mojang. Open the store page and press Install. Minecraft is a paid app, so if you haven't purchased it before, you'll be asked to confirm payment. Choose your payment method, complete the purchase, and the download will begin. Watch the progress bar. The speed depends on your connection. When installation finishes, Minecraft will automatically appear on the BlueStacks home screen, ready to launch. To play, click the Minecraft icon on the BlueStacks home screen. If you're prompted to sign in with a Microsoft account, go ahead so your worlds, purchases, and knowledge and online features can sync across devices. From there, you can create a new world or jump into existing ones without any extra setup. For basic controls, use W, A, S, and D to move, space to jump, left click to attack or break blocks, right click to place blocks, and move the mouse to look around. That's all you need to explore and start building. If the icon doesn't appear after install, return to the BlueStacks home screen or restart BlueStacks. If downloads stall, check your internet connection and Play Store sign in. You're all set. Enjoy Minecraft in BlueStacks 5.